Hello. Today we are going to chug salsa. Yeah, woo! Thank you. This is dangerous, so we have some milk on the side.
Just in case.
Just in case our mouth burns with fire. See you then. Okay. Since Allie chickened out, I can't. It's not even that bad. I'm gonna chug it. Feels like I'm swallowing guts, and I don't like it. You can do this now, then my heart will go on one. I'm gonna get rid of some. It's a little much. Ready? Milk. Got it on hand. Ready?
I don't like it. It's too close. Get it away from me.
It's a good view, but I don't like it. Can you see my mouth?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's scary. Gotta chug it.
Not it. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Oh god.
I'm disgusting.
Is that enough? Did I do enough?
No, you gotta do it.
Oh my god, no.
You still got a little more?
I can't. Ew, that's disgusting. I can't do it. I did most of it. Allie didn't do any. I think I'm gonna go throw up now. Don't follow me while I throw up.
The door won't close.
Yum. Okay, definitely never doing that again in my life. See you later. This is to KX97, I think. We'll cut that part out if it's wrong.
Rain, can we have a rainy day? Bring an umbrella, please bring an umbrella. Ella, Ella.